Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how you guys can fix the Xbox error code E100, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is you guys can click on the Xbox logo on your controller, head down to Profile and Systems, go ahead and click on Sign Out. Once you sign out, you can sign back in and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. If that does not fix the issue, the second method you guys can try doing is heading over to Settings. From Settings, go down to Account, and then from Account, go down to Remove Accounts, and then from Remove Accounts you just go ahead and remove your account and then add it back in. It's a little bit similar to the first one, but you might as well try this one as well. But once you do this, you can also go over to General. This is the third method. Go over to General, go to Network Settings. From Network Settings, go down to Advanced Settings, and then you want to change the primary and secondary DNS settings. You want to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. And once you go ahead and do that, you should be good to go and you're all set. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.